What is it with all these ER verbs? Yes, we are going to do even more ER pronominal verbs in the present tense. To hide is se cacher. Things you hide in your cache. Se cacher. How would you say? Let's hide here. Cachons-nous ici. Or cachons-nous là. She's hiding from you under the bed, addressing tu. Elle se cache de toi sous le lit. Sous, sur, sous. To hurry up or to hurry, we saw that the last time, se dépêcher, but there is another word. Think of being pressed. Se presser, se presser. So using se presser, everyone is hurrying towards the sales. Tout le monde, with a clear D, se presse vers les soldes. Another clear D. For those of you who remember Blondie and Sunday Girl, there is a French version of Sunday Girl where she uses the pronominal verbs se cacher and se dépêcher. Dépêche-toi, dépêche-toi et attends. Bam, 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 bam. To wonder is literally to ask oneself. Se demander. I wonder where they're going. Je me demande, clear D, où il ou elle vont. To feast, to really enjoy something, to feel that something is a real treat. Et se régaler. This is used a lot in French. Think of régal, regal. Un régal exists. C'est un régal, a treat. If you think the regal, Henry VIII, deeply enjoying lots of treats, as he did, you could say, le film était un vrai régal. The film was a real treat. What does this mean? Je me régale. It means if you're talking about food, I'm in food heaven. Or if you're not talking about food, I'm in heaven. I'm really enjoying myself. Je me régale. Il se régale avec ce repas. What does that mean? They're really enjoying this meal. Commonly used. To go and get information, or to go and get more information, you take one of the words for to teach, which is enseigner, and you add the R in front of it. Se renseigner. This is the go-to verb for this kind of go and get more information at. Go and get more information at reception. Addressing vous would be renseignez-vous or allez vous renseigner à l'accueil. To brag, to boast or to show off. I have this huge, beautiful van. Se vanter, that's why there's a picture of a van there. Se vanter. Sounds more like wind, doesn't it? Le vent. Full of hot air. Se vanter. They're bragging about having won the World Cup, which is feminine. On a gagné, allez les bleus! Il ou elle se vante d'avoir gagné la Coupe du Monde. Don't show off too much, addressing vous. Ne vous vantez pas trop, vent. To bump into, to hit, to stub yourself against. Se cogner contre, cogner, the gn of gn, cogner. He's always bumping his head. Il se cogne toujours la tête. You could say, il est toujours en train de se cogner la tête. She stubbed her toe against a stone. We might say on a stone. Stone is pierre, une pierre. Elle s'est cognée, you can either say the finger of the foot, le doigt du pied, or another word is l'orteil, contre une pierre. To catch a cold. S'enrhumer. A cold is not un froid, it's un rhume. And maybe rhume would get rid of it. A nice drop of rum. Un rhume. I catch colds easily. Je m'enrhume facilement. Using to, don't you ever catch colds? So never, not ever. Jamais, like jamais dodger. Tu ne t'enrhumes jamais? To get upset, vexed, offended, take personally. Se vexer. Il n'y a pas de quoi te vexer. There's nothing to get annoyed about. So, il n'y a pas de quoi. It's a very long way of saying there's nothing, it's nothing. It's used as in you're welcome as well. Like, it's nothing, don't mention it. Il n'y a pas de quoi. As I was telling you, addressing to, Julien is easily offended. Takes everything personally. So the wasing, like the was telling, is the imperfect, the wasing and wearing, the used to. Comme je te disais, Julien se vexe facilement. To turn towards or around, se tourner vers. I hear him better when I turn myself like this. Je l'entends mieux quand je me tourne comme ça. Using to. Turn around very slowly or I'll shoot. You might be watching gangster movies. You never know. Tourne-toi très lentement, très doucement, ou je tire. You can also use se retourner as well as se tourner. Retourner also has that extra feeling of turning back, rolling over, but they are often interchangeable. When I call her, she doesn't turn around. Quand je l'appelle, elle ne se retourne pas. If they turn around, kill them, addressing to. Back to the gangster movies. S'il or si elle, you can't have si apostrophe L for some reason, but you can with il. S'il, si elle se retourne, tue-les. Or you can say descends-les, which means take them down. Not downstairs. To get revenge on, to get even, to make right in a very negative way. Se venger, so you can see it in revenge. Se venger de. To avenge is just venger, not pronominal. He's getting revenge on his brother. Il se venge de son frère, or the slang for brother, son frangin. Sister, frangine. To get or come closer to someone or something. To approach. S'approcher de quelqu'un ou s'approcher de quelque chose. They're getting too close to us. Il ou elle s'approche trop de nous. Come closer, my child, all the better to see you. Approche-toi. To calm down. Easy one. Se calmer. Calm down, addressing vous. Calmez-vous. Using tu. You have to calm down. Il faut que tu te calmes. So with ER verbs, the subjunctive is straightforward because they are the same endings as the ER present tense, except for nous and vous where you add the I, ion and ie. You can avoid it. Tu dois, and then you have the whole verb. Tu dois te calmer because the te has to match the tu. To dress up or to disguise oneself as, you can have a guess. Se déguiser en. Think disguise. Using nous. We're dressing up as policemen or policewomen. Nous nous déguisons en policiers or women policières. Or the slang is flic, en flic. And that's for man or woman. Or maybe gendarme. I'm dressing up as a pig. Je me déguise en cochon, en porc. To be bored, to get bored. Boom, 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 boom. S'embêter. You can use s'ennuyer, but here we are looking at the more regular ER verbs. S'embêter is used a lot in the spoken French language. It's a bit more informal than s'ennuyer. Are you bored addressing tu? Tu t'embêtes. I always get bored at their house. Je m'embête toujours chez eux or chez elle. To train, to practice, s'entraîner. I train every Friday morning. Je m'entraîne tous les vendredis matins. Chaque vendredi matin. Using vous, you have to train more. Using falloir. Il faut que vous vous entraîniez, that extra I before the EZ for the subjunctive, plus. Or you could drop the que of il faut and just add the infinitive. It's another get-out clause. Il faut, drop the que, vous entraîner plus. The same as you would do for vous devez vous entraîner plus. To burn oneself. What's that delicious dessert called? The burnt cream. Crème brûlée. Se brûler, to burn oneself. Don't burn yourself using tu. Ne te brûle pas. Be careful addressing vous. Don't burn yourselves on that iron. An iron, the word iron, if you think of the chemical symbol for iron, which is Fe, is un fer à repasser. The action, the verb to iron is repasser. The noun, the iron, is le fer, un fer à repasser. Attention, ou faites attention, ne vous brûlez pas sur ce fer à repasser. To get stuck or to trap yourself or trap a body part, think about the word for corner in French, which is coin. Se coincer. Don't trap your finger in the door, addressing tu. Ne te coince pas le doigt dans la porte. I don't want to get my arm stuck in that hole. Je ne veux pas me coincer le bras dans ce trou. If you use coincer as an adjective, like être coincé, it can mean to be stuck, like stuck in traffic, être coincé dans la circulation, but it can also be used to describe someone who is very uptight. Il est très coincé. He's very uptight. Bit of a snob. To be stuck, to press oneself against or to flatten oneself against, or to se coller. Think of collage. Se coller contre or se coller à. As soon as she comes home, she's stuck to her mobile for hours. Dès qu'elle rentre, you can add on à la maison, you don't need to. Dès qu'elle rentre, elle se colle à son portable pendant des heures. To get unstuck or to take off like an aeroplane or to peel off is décoller. It's unsticking itself. Ça se décolle. Recap time. To hide, se cacher. To hurry up, the other one, to hurry. Instead of se dépêcher, you can use se presser. Think of being pressed for time. To wonder, literally to ask oneself. Se demander. To feast, to really enjoy, to treat. Se régaler. To go and get more information. Se renseigner. To brag, to boast, to show off. Look at my van. Se vanter. To bump into, to hit, to stub yourself against. Se cogner. I've stubbed my toe against a cog. Se cogner contre. To catch a cold. S'enrhumer. Bit of rum. To get upset, offended, vexed. Se vexer. To turn towards, to turn around. Se tourner vers. So you can use this also, se retourner, but it also means to roll over or to turn back. But the two are quite interchangeable. To get revenge on, to get even, to put right but in a bad way. Se venger. Take the re off revenge and you've got your verb. To get closer, to come closer to someone or to something. To approach, s'approcher de quelqu'un ou de quelque chose. To calm oneself. Se calmer. To get dressed up, get disguised as. Se déguiser en. To be bored, get bored, so much so that you have to play with your ping pong bat. S'embêter. To train, to practice. S'entraîner. To burn oneself. Se brûler, like crème brûlée, burnt cream. Yum, 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 yum. To get stuck, trap, like a body part. Think of be cornered. Se coincer, because coin means corner. To be stuck, as in stuck to something. Press oneself against, or to flatten oneself against, or to something. For a collage, you need glue, don't you? Se coller, glue is la colle. Se coller contre, se coller à. And to come unstuck from, se décoller de. Et voilà les amis, à la prochaine fois, merci.